Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I did say I would come back and share with you a full 8x10. It's an 8x10 folio album that I created following a tutorial by Rosa Kelly. She does an amazing job, and I am going to post the link below to her channel so that you can check her out and follow along with the tutorial. She gives you a step-by-step of this basic design, and then you can decorate it as you'd like. So I'm going to open, and then also I'm going to share with you an 8x8 one that I created, and I'll go into that more when we get to that one. I just wanted to sneak peek you. So it's an 8x10 with a 1-inch spine, and it opens up like this. Try and make sure I'm in camera. And then this flips out this way, and it's got magnets to hold this page here, which flips out this way. And then this flips down, and then you have your water folio page over here. And it's magnetized. And then these flip out. One flips this way, this flips down, and this flips up. And then you could do like a pocket in here. If you wanted to tuck in, you could do a belly band with more photo mats. I will definitely, once I'm done decorating it, I will definitely come back and show you what it looks like decorated. I just wanted to show you the basic design that I followed in case you guys want to make one of these for yourself. And then this page here flips up, this one flips down, and you could do some other stuff on this page. You could do a belly band if you want, you could do a pocket, you could add another like skinny flip if you like, little flips if you wanted to. Entirely up to you. This flips open. And then this is magnet. And then you have another waterfall page. I think I might have said water folio on the other one. I'm sorry. I have folio on the brain. Okay, and that fits really nice 6x4 photos. And then this flips open. And this flips open. Then you have, these are actually larger than 4x6 photo mats, but these are your 4x6 photo mats, and these flip out like this. And again, you have another set down here. And I absolutely love this flip here, and I actually did that on one of my folios because I love that idea. So I'm going to flip those back up. I didn't do that right. Sorry. Flip, flip, flip. Here we go. So that's how that turned out. And when I decorate it, I will come back and share it with you. And then I got the bright idea. You guys are going to laugh. Maybe not. But after I did that folio, I kind of got folio fever. And I've only ever made small folios, skinny folios, but I was like, 8x8, I can do this, you know? So I started working on it, and once you design it and put it together, you realize I should have done a 1/4 inch. This spine here is the same size as this spine here. I should have did this spine a 1/4 of an inch larger. So when I redesign it and I come back with a tutorial for you, I promise the measurements will be right. But I was lucky. It did close, and I don't have any magnets here, which is great. And I was still able to put a pocket here on this page. So that worked out. And then this page, I have 4 flips. And this is a recipe album. I forgot to share with you guys. I used a paper pad I've had in my stash for quite a while from Recollections, and this was called Playing with Food. And it was one of those hot buy paper pads. But I think I'll be able to get another folio out of it. So it's all for recipes. And then I figured on this side and this side, like this actually has recipe cards in it, which was really cool. But you can also write a recipe of your own on the opposite side. So I did 4 flips like this. If you can't see the one down here, it's the same size. And then I did a corner pocket. And then I have more of those recipe cards. And another one here. So you can write the recipe on the back. And then, like I said, this page I was able to do the same thing, make a pocket and tuck these in for recipes. These are like for your more, these are 3x4s, so smaller recipe there, not too detailed. And then another recipe card on this side and white cardstock where you can write a recipe on the back. And I haven't decorated this pocket yet because I'm not sure how I want to do it, but I just wanted to come on and share this stuff with you guys. And then this is my middle. And I have this really cute cupcake paper on it. And then this flips out this way. So this is magnetized here. Keep it closed. And then I took inspiration from Rosa Kelly when I made the album with her, and these flip this way. So you can do a little picture of a recipe here and then write your recipe back here. And then this flips down. Up, down, up, down. And then inside here I created a belly band. And I have 2 more recipe cards that you can write on the front and backs. So have those tucked in there. And then we'll just close this back up. So pretty much on the opposite side of all of the pattern paper, I just put a white cardstock so you know you could write your own recipes. And then in the middle here I have another waterfall page, and the paper actually came with a recipe for chocolate banana mug cake, which I thought was kind of cool. And then the white cardstock recipe card, white cardstock. The paper I just think is so stinking cute. Hello cupcake. And then down here is another place where I kind of made a boo-boo, and I'm sharing it with you now because when I come back to share the tutorial, I will not make this boo-boo again. But I should have put my little border edge piece on before I put this piece on, this fresh greens. I wanted to put fresh greens pocket here, just a little pocket so I could create and tuck in 3 more of these adorable 3x4 cut apart cards, and then you could write recipes on the back. So that's another area where I was like, oh, still looks cute, but I really wish I would have done it first and then put that card on top. So that was another boo-boo. But when you're designing them, sometimes you got to make boo-boos so that you can, you know, perfect them. Okay, and that just closes back up that way. And then the last page here, it's just another corner pocket with 3 more of these cute recipe folios. And then that's the paper back there. I love the paper. It's just really, really cute. And I enjoyed working with it. And I think I can get 1 more folio out of it and still have scraps left over. So, like I said, I'm happy it closes and it lays flat. But I should have went 1/4 inch bigger on this side. So, the stamps that I used here, I actually got from my bestie Misha at Scraps and Things 1. Hi Misha. And I'll post a link below to her channel as well if you want to head on over, check her out, show her some YouTube love. But she sent me the stamp set quite a while ago, and I love it. It has Baked with Love to Perk You Up, use Spice Up My Life and Sweets for the Sweet, and then it has like little cookies and coffee cups and salt and pepper shakers. It's just a really cute stamp set. So I just used this one here, and then I had 2 cutout jars that I kind of just angled. I did some gold enamel dots and then just colored this in, and then there's a label here that I can write the name of whoever I'm gonna gift it to. So that's how it turned out, guys. And like I said, once I figure all of the dimensions out perfectly so it lays perfect for you guys, I will be back to share the tutorial with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And definitely, if you're interested in making folios, especially a large one like this, head on over to Rosa Kelly's video. She does a great tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care and happy crafting.